Hi, in this video we look at how to display a timer in SwiftUI and visionOS with a single line of code using date and date style. So let's begin. Over here you can see I have defined this counter and a timer publisher. So if I scroll down, you can see I have a text view displaying the counter. There is nothing wrong with this approach, but I want to show you how you can replace the whole thing with just a single line of code. So let's place a comment here and then add another text view. To add the timer, we need to use a predefined date in SwiftUI. So let's put .now. The next parameter is the style for displaying the date. So let's put style. And here we have many options. Let's start with date. With that, you can see we've added today's date to the UI. Let's remove it and put, for example, offset. This option displays a date as offset from now. Then we have another option that is relative. This option also displays a date as relative to now. Another option is the time option, but let's select the timer option. So with the timer option, we display the date as a timer counting from now. So this is how you can use a date and date style to display a timer in SwiftUI and visionOS. But looking at the timer closely, when it counts from 0 upwards, the UI keeps shaking. This is because the numeric characters have different width. To avoid the UI from shaking at some point, we can use the monospace digit modifier. This modifier modifies the font of the text view to use fixed width digits. That also leaves the text characters to be proportionally spaced. So let's add it over here. Now, as it counts from 0 upwards, the UI wouldn't be shaking again. So this is how you can use a predefined date and date style in SwiftUI and visionOS to create a timer. To prevent the UI from shaking, we use the monospace digit modifier. Thanks for watching this video.